Alright everybody, welcome back. It's been a while, I know. But basically, I just want to show you my 2012 Ford Transit Connect work van. And this is what I use every day to get the job done. And there we go. That's let's call this a Dewalt tool haul video at the same time. It's pretty obvious. So I got my first aid kit here, very important. Mounted on the door, I got all sorts of caulking guns. I got the large capacity, the regular ones, and I put this thing here so all the glue was like kind of dripping down on the floor there. So that catches all the runoff. Now up here is where I keep my 6-foot level. I got some T-squares here, 4-foot level. Here I got just, I don't know what that is, Tyvek. Another level, I got a crowbar in here and a little bit of paperwork in there. Yeah, and I got the, these are all like 20 volt, obviously, you can probably tell that. They're all 20 volt cordless tools. I'm virtually cordless at this point. The multi-tool for, you know, it's like a, how would you call that? An electric chisel. And here I got the belt-fed collated screw gun. Goes good for, I use that for drywall primarily. Got a couple of impact drivers here, workhorses, regular 20 volt drill. I got the flashlight for when I'm checking in attics, dark basements. I got the hammer drill here. Let's take a look inside here. Now here I got some clamps, work light bulbs, a drywall jack. Here I got inside. I got my tool belt hanging here on these hooks. Extension cord, safety vests. There's my work light. Large bolt cutter. Heat gun, pneumatic staple gun. Small pry bar here. Now, here I got a box of 7 1/4 circular saw blades, 20 volt jigsaw. Oh, I got another impact driver, 20 volt, obviously. Brushless 20 volt drill. Oh, I got some drill bits back here. Here's where I keep all my flex volt batteries. 9 amp hour here, another 9 amp hour, 6 amp hour down there. Here's just the regular 20 volt batteries. I got a couple of the 5 amp hour and 4 amp hour. Another one down there. Here's all the smaller capacity batteries. I use those smaller ones for the drills mostly because they're light and they still get the job done. Now here I just keep, in this little box, I keep miscellaneous hand tools that I need during the day. A small pry bar, cat's paw here. I've got the metal pliers, tin snips, drywall cutout tool. I've got the SDS chisel bits here, blowgun. Box of chisels in here, wood chisels. I had that like since 2005. And these boxes here, it's kind of messy right now. I'm still in the middle of doing 2 houses. Chalk lines. I keep my Recipt saw blades in there. Some tape. Here I got the big what do you call that? Measuring tape. Some screws. Some Master Crap grinder bits, grinder blades, whatever you call it. Oh yeah, wire wheel. That could come in handy. I didn't even, forgot I had that. I got some various fasteners here. Oh, box of multi-tool blades in there. I got about 100, 150, 200 blades in there. Scrapers, like, what is this? Oh yeah, sander pads. The sander attachment is in there somewhere. I can't get it. Oh, here we go. And that attaches to the multi-tool here. Okay, from there we got the the Flex Volt brushless circular saw. Very powerful, awesome tool. That is also a workhorse. Use that every day. And I got the 20 volt 6.5 inch. This one too here. I'll just, works very well also. Love that. It's good having two saws. Now, oh yeah, the Recipt saw here. It's not the new fancy schmancy brushless model, but it gets the job done. I don't use that very often. Maybe once or twice a week, a cut or two. Now, move on to the hammer drill slash, it's like a little jackhammer. I don't even know what you call this. Chipper. I use it mainly for the hammer drill capacity. Now, I got this, the brushless grinder, paddle style. It's got the little safety switch. Love that tool. Hiding back here, the drywall cutout tool. Yeah, and I love that also. All these tools work really great when you're a little contractor like me. Oh, here I got some SDS 3/16 bits for the hammer drill. I got some Recipt saw blades there. Oh yeah, and these are great. These are Diablo Carbide tip Recipt saw blades. Really awesome. Super expensive, but you do get what you pay for because they last a long time and they cut really, really fast. Thick metal, and they last a long time. So there's that. Oh yeah, and I got the, I mounted this Stanley toolbox here. Oh yeah, I got the little power converter. I plugged that in here. And I'm able to click my fast charger in there, or a couple of phones or whatever, and I can charge my batteries when I'm like. So yeah, that's the charger. Now coming down here, well, I've got the large, the long miter saw stand, some nail gun nails there. I got the shorter miter saw stand here, and my radio. Can't work without music. Here we got the 20 volt 7.25 cordless miter saw, 9.5 amp hour battery, and when I'm framing, I can use that saw for I cut 2x6 all day long with it, making jacks or cutting under windows and above doors. Now, here we got the compressor, and I got some extension cords here. I don't hardly use the extension cords anymore since I am pretty much all cordless these days. Here's the other end of that long miter saw stand. So here I got the, oh yeah, the Dewalt power station. It's basically a generator that uses these Dewalt batteries. I got 4 9 amp hour flex volt batteries on there, and I use that to power the compressor, so I don't have to lug around the old generator anymore. So I'll turn that on just for fun, just show you. So that saves me a lot having that. Love it. And here I got the this is Makita. It's an older. I've had this also since 2005. It's an what is it? LS 1013, 10-inch blade, 13-inch cut capacity at a 90-degree angle. It bevels both ways, 45 or actually 47 degrees, up to 47. And so yeah, here I got nail guns. This is the 20-volt cordless framing nailer. Really loving that lately. Comes in handy. I got the this is a, what is it, a King? Yeah, King Industrial roof coiling. Oh, it's a roofing coil nailer. And here I have the Boss Stitch framing nailer. The Boss Stitch is pneumatic. That's what the compressor is for. Now, this side here, I've got my Stanley tool chest bolted to the floor here. And at the bottom I keep I keep my surprise Dewalt cordless 20-volt what is this, XR, yeah, impact gun. And I have the impact sockets here, and small portable sockets in here, various other sockets in there. Now, in here I've got various pliers, cutters, and pipe wrenches. Here I have some electrical connectors. What is this? Oh yeah, shrink tube wraps, light tester, tin snips. Oh, this is a it's a pipe crimper. Put your pipe in there, squeeze that together, and it makes those nice crimped edges along your metal ducts or pipes, whatever you're using. That's quite handy. And I got these wire strippers, pop rivets here, metal drill bits, easy out, screw removers, broken screw removers. Here I got just a bunch of random junk. I don't know if you can see in there. Nowhere to put that, so I just leave it there. Now here I got my Stanley sockets, commonly used sizes, and that I use quite a bit. Just general mechanics and maintenance. Here I have my wrench drawer and some random wrenches here, and all those I use a lot. And here is the screwdriver drawer. This gets messed up a lot, gets bounced around, and yeah, so that's all the screwdrivers in there. Now, up top, I have some more just kind of random stuff. Zip ties, flat tire repair kit, tape, Allen keys, hole saw bits there. Just random stuff. Here, on the side here, keep my carpenter pencils, what is that? Oh, markers and air tire gauges, WD-40 hanging there. Oh, yeah. And here, a big bottle of chalk for my chalk line. I have a small flux core welder. That's really cool to have. Now, take a quick tour of the the cockpit. There we go, 243,000 kilometers. Automatic transmission. AM/FM radio with CD. Oh yeah, here's some. I got some business cards there. I got a storage up here. I keep some keys for projects that I'm working on. I got some gloves, a hat, booster cables, and this is the binder. I keep all my work-related stuff in here, inspection sheets, that things I've done, things I still have to do. Whatever I'm done, I just I highlight off. Other stuff is other contractors do that, and some graph paper there with some notes. Blah 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 blah. Calculator, highlighters, time cards. And that, my friends, is that. So I'll see you all in the next video. I'm off to work.